Ready to unlock a crucial piece of the real estate puzzle, figuring out exactly how much to charge for Zillow 3D home tour. First, let's talk influencing factors. The most significant is your cost of doing business. Factor in the equipment expenses, software subscriptions like hosting platforms, insurance, marketing, and transportation costs to and from locations. Next, think about square footage. This directly correlates with the time and effort needed for the shoot. You can establish tiered pricing based on the home's size. For example, under 1,500 square feet would be one price, 1,500 to 2,500 another, and so on. Also, determine if you'll be offering any additional services, such as professional photography, aerial drone footage, floor plans, or virtual staging. Each add-in is priced separately and can significantly increase your revenue per project. Location. Consider travel time and local market rates. Areas with higher demand or longer travel distances may justify higher prices, so researching competitors in your area is also beneficial. Finally, calculate your profit margin to ensure your pricing reflects your desired income. As a guideline, ensure that all expenses are covered and that you are compensated accordingly.